Okay, guys, I wasn't even prepared for this, but I'm just getting everything ready here. So, okay, so I'm Canon rumors right now, and officially this is the official Canon press release for tomorrow for the Canon R3. And on my last video I posted earlier this morning, I was just predicting if this camera will do 6K 60, and that's what my hope was. And so basically it is gonna do it. So I'm just gonna quickly read. It's gonna be, holy moly, this just came out. Okay, where is it at? Where is this at? I'm just looking at the whole thing. Okay, so the EOS R3 camera doesn't just capture spectacular still images, it also packs impressive video specs as well. The camera is capable of shooting 6K 60 RAW and 4K 120 and 10-bit. Okay, and RAW movie internal recording as well over sample 4K. Canon Log 3, which is good. Right off the bat, we don't have to worry about any more updates, so that's good. Helps reduce the possibility of highlight blowouts, which is good. But if you think about it, 24.1 megapixels does mean that the low light performance, it's going to be really good as well. So that's a bonus. You know, that's you know, yes, people have been talking about being at 30 megapixels, right? That was the speculation, but now it's 24.1. You know, it's okay. That doesn't bother me at all. I like anything that could compete anything on low light, especially during weddings. Okay, so especially receptions, indoors. Let's see, man. That was all. There's more features to be, said here, but again, you guys can go to, I'll leave the link on the description. You guys can read it yourselves. There's more than that, but there's a lot of things that I want to do. I'm excited about it, but here again, it doesn't say anything about any more tests when it comes to overheating, right? So if it goes, if it goes well without overheating whatsoever, this is a camera that's well put together. I mean, obviously we all know that the R5 and R6 have that overheating limits, but if this has it, if this has all what I'm looking for, I might pull the trigger on this one, guys. I might pull the trigger on this one. So let me know your thoughts. Should I get the Canon R3? Right? Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your comments. Should I get it? And if so, will I do a lot of tests on it? Absolutely. Oh yeah, there's gonna be tests done. Now, here's the other thing. There's a lot of things I'm gonna spend money on here on tomorrow. Not only is Canon officially doing this, but there's also Apple doing their event as well, which we don't know what's gonna happen, because I don't know on the MacBook Pro lineup what will happen then, or do we have to wait for an announcement in October, November? I don't know. But currently I do own a MacBook Air M1, and so once I start recording all this, once I start doing all these tests on the R3, if I do end up getting that still, which I'm leaning towards that, but I'm not sure yet, then I want to go ahead and show you guys how the R3 with the codec that's built in, how will it export, right? And will it handle it? Will Final Cut Pro handle that 6K 60? I'm assuming it will on the M1. Will Premiere Pro handle it? And so, those are the two most programs that I actually use. So again, we'll just have to see. But again, this is just a quick video. I'm excited. But again, hopefully, even when they announced the R5, everybody was excited about the 8K capabilities, but then what I'm saying, on the smaller body, it generates a lot of heat. And so, but with this body that the R3 is presented in, it's basically not gonna be, what's the word? It's not gonna. I don't feel like it's gonna go overheat. I just feel like it's just gonna go along with the 1DX Mark line here. So with that rugged, tough body. So yeah, that's about it. That's all I have. And then guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna start posting videos tomorrow and then let you guys know my thoughts. Okay, take care.